okay. Get alert, okay? We got early, okay?
Video progress bar.
Okay? Ìtẹ́lẹ̀ iṣẹ́ ẹnu tẹ́lẹ̀ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀. Níṣẹ́ Facebook. Mẹ̀gẹ̀ náà wẹ́gẹ́ ẹni wà mí òkè náà chàchà. Níṣẹ́ gẹ́ẹ̀ni àwọn míọ̀nẹ̀ yẹn kú míọ̀nẹ̀, okay? Umione. Hello? People are logged in Umione. It didn't share, okay. Didn't share. Okay.
Section, skip back 2 minutes, 31 seconds. 39 minutes, 12 seconds of 44 minutes, 19 seconds. Press select to resume from here. Go back to cancel. African music, dancehall. Search. Niger Mix 2012. Voice search button.
Wadomo, wahia wabohia. O when waya ready wa mufo ayeye. Menole ohiwa osarieme osayewita. Nemori anye osanorekete alias obitoroka. Wahia wawesi wa afia wasowa. Wa mi nyerebe ni do pere mana re na. Owe mi se shere re powo oriku. Okaya pi obo yogo nupo. Ogonupo ni na oku obinye ye womo e ma ni bo we ope ni ari on se hoye e na wi ho ni we le gbedo so obo ne ma ya de be ho ale ibi ane ke ni o tale ina be ya bo ni na be ni afi we ye oku obinye ye womo sari me e o kia oku obinye ye womo isi e ko
Good afternoon, Corito, good afternoon. Yes, so. Yes, so.
Brother Agobo, Sam and Agobo. That's Odatalo. Our international musician. Okuya Koeno. Osalina Wedo. Ebolo yo Magati. Ewana Kono. Baba Agobo. Yari Wado.
Yeah, mo. Opia, Opo, yeah, mo.
Baba Gomez, a prisoner, our Napono. Here I know police officer, Osariana Wedo. You got to see money in the news. Your money not go fly at all.
Volume 0. Video
Yes.
section.
Una know why I want to start this program. I want let you understand one thing. Let me go on my YouTube to kick. Una know why today na very good day. And na me, I dey kick against woman wey dey flirt up and down, wey dey sleep around. And this na particular thing na I hear doctor, because the two men and women involved Benin, based on say the husband come report the wife and try get in contact, and the wife dey misplace without replying me. I even said that request. A married woman, Dublin. When I say a lot of women are a SARS association is Dublin, don't say I dey lie. When I say Dublin, even single mother wey dey Dublin, married women wey dey Dublin, majority belong to a Zaza. First of all, I will I want to kick start before I will talk. I will allow the husband of the woman, after he don heard his own view, before Uyedo kick off with his diswagwa. I don't want move direct. I'll let the husband speak first Because when woman do something, hello, now very, very bad thing. Before I this one, make the husband better. Hello, Amen. So you want to say no when Zenu we ake kwana unyi ma to si no awenyi ona mu go yo no ye bole ki amare ya gwa ya my brother I will damn you.
Baba, it's a long story.
So you say let everybody know what is going on. The woman you married, pay the bride price, and when we have fucking, we want you to speak and let me carry on with the rest to go on.
Baba, you see, this whole issue has been going on for quite some time.
Okay.
Because I've been with my wife now. We got married 2017.
2017, okay.
That was a church wedding. Then court wedding, we did the court wedding 2018.
Yeah, okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So, even before then, before I did this marriage, my wife, she went to Nigeria.
Okay.
Saw the family.
Okay.
My family were there, and all that.
Low where you for the washroom. My brother, low where you for the washroom.
No. I'm not even of Barema now.
Okay, go on. Okay.
Yeah. So we did everything, right? So when that 2017, after we got away, so we've been together, this woman, she has been faithful. Don't know that this woman, she has been communicating with the ex, with the baby father. You understand?
Yes.
So, several calls, several messages, several voice notes. There was a day I saw the voice note. I was asking, I played the voice note. It was the baby father that played, what's your nata where Umudia Heme? I said, what is a man that wants to feel someone together again? So why will he have the courage to play this kind of voice note for you?
Okay.
You understand? You know, where now you want to send that kind of voice note. I say, how you say now you want to send that kind of voice note? That's to show you say the level of communication wherever by you. That's to show wherever you made that bond.
Yes.
Wherever you communicate.
Yeah, let me be eating before I just go and down here.
So, on in that Bolofara, so there are several issues. Several issues that has been coming up, all go by a chat. There was a day you know with me on Facebook, and I said, my love. Anyway, what is this? What is the meaning of this? When you marry as anything, when a normal thing, now we matter, na normal thing, now we na normal thing, now we I'm not normal. Ukunoro odo, you are under me. Wagbe, ele ubo boni ina tiosiyoi. Tiosiyoi na driver, just not when we are. Listen, my sister, your past is your past. You cannot be doing this way water. Then wagbe this kind of message. Only now we go we, only now we put off. Several instances, this woman has been doing it. The former has in Makaye, my council has in the man,
yes.
Not Bariva. My was Sevani Ukona, he going on our rise. Understand?
Yes.
I did everything to please her. Or we a Mujahe council has for the past 12 years. Yamamune.
Yes.
My married Nenia. Yana do Mune. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, I am with the council as a new man here. So now, in that time where another time I will give me how I time a lawyer way, time a lawyer way my stake so that Yamakin answer here. Now okay. All because of where or having not to please her. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, where I want a betterment. Okay, on a lawyer, up to today, a penny, me your understand, all based on where, okay, I trust her, okay, this or where you're making us again and see man. Yeah, see man and I'm one. Mana, I did the new house.
Yeah.
I see the new house in Uhuna, she has been doing different things. Yawagwa, oh, walk by one array. Yawagwa, walk by one array. Here we are. Anyway, they may not say so. Every little thing. Walk by worry for no reason. Hello?
Hello, my brother, go ahead, Damiel, well. Iṣẹ́ ẹ̀gẹ̀ fẹ́ ọ̀la iṣẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́bà. Ẹ̀rí wọn tì mí máa ṣe gẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́bà wà gẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ fẹ́ ọ̀la ẹ̀gẹ̀ iṣẹ́. Okay. Okay, go ahead, my brother. Ẹ máa ní ọmọ.
So, na tama na we. When I'm here, every little thing where my father, every little thing where wife me by. This woman has been doing it where no worry. For long, no worry.
Yeah.
So there was the day, there was a night. Don't know who na or hame or me hone. Why? It's not like this. Even my fire, we double mind. Yeah, no, you know. There was a day in my university room, you know. Oh, she cannot help it anymore. You know, yes, I went out through. Oh, I get it from mine. Now, I know why. Now, but this, yeah, my forgive you.
And easy to describe.
No, you will not forgive me or ye or me understand. So all communicate and go a chat. There was a day of you back not be message with good morning, my love. Even my phone now who change a pin. Oh, my phone will nail that phone.
Oh, when we're married, I'm with phone then. Who have change a pin?
Change a pin. Change a pin. So there was a day in my phone already. Or my way pin there, you get a pin already. Or you to them, or you are toilet not get the pin, you get a now with the pin.
Yes.
That will be where all our chat, the communication, you back communicate.
Oh, we go back about that. Okay.
This is a who need no in a way to tie ban every city runa no in a war hammer. Oh, you banner. Walking where was no. A war or senior, no. And not a minor way also where no. On I made discouraged, do not be this kind of message you go. On I made this kind of mind, do not be on I will rule water. So,
yes.
Body not your view, but each of you, but we not a man where do you know how many men will send your wife that kind message that we are matter? Are you serious?
Oh, which of banana well? You are no that because which of buy baby or when me body be phone and go.
Okay. I'm not a man where do you know how many men will send your wife that kind message that we are matter that with my wife? Body not that I'm in our program. This one Marowa or Canary to room in our bedroom. They are TA. On a bado here, the bedroom, but the way maybe a new wardrobe. In my father.
I'm not damn him and what is your butter?
Yes, I'm not down. So, or you down your in your MNTA. That when I want to now, Uba here, do by the way, we are not listening to what's not talk, which not talk, which is concerned. Now, Uri Obata gave nota, those who are not responsible, read oh, but not aware for what? Uri Obama take that kind of nonsense here where if you know how many men send that kind of message. Eri who not the responsible.
Yes.
Not your say. May it your say, not a might be also. No, how
many
do you do it? On another way for what? Uri Obama take that kind of message here. Whatever, when if you know how many men they say your wife that kind of message. Now when you in our gui. So only when I be pull of farmer. So many instances. Yami Ruvier, you ever communicate. You ever communicate bond who no water. Who want more banker, who more where hero will walk.
Oh, yeah, what would you? Okay.
Itamawe, what do you say so? Itamawe, Nana, in your one. Now, a judge, yeah, I the law where who won't be a dear law, half away, near Piene. Money, or hire more money, who get it back, or maybe shop more. Waiting more area where it is not done. I want it.
Yes.
In your one, no. Away for what? We know tell me away, who tell me how, where for what? I do in the mayor. Well, Matamoy more gira. But you want away, even Nana, is not good. Wahamo, and secondly, every time I'm seven, 2 times. That body winner. Awakba. Awakba, one gira.
We are buying you and yet bar.
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe or say area ma or watch ye or where come carry picking causing me. It's not done. You can't be doing it like that. Open before we had to watch where we pack or when we most of all the time. In a way,
oh, yeah, well, I'll see a carrier. We won't answer a carrier. Or money at a moment with back by your back by your back. Oh, well, what you I'll go up by your walk to a see.
Yes. Don't know where you or cut time before where we can't TDA.
Why when we go your walk first, I want me go your one. Oh, well. Okay. Your time when I'm married. And me out who can continue to wear so let's say where go have fear pumo police. Okay, but now because how people now?
Are you going to cut with me again? Or how you solely?
Okay, no. Yeah, but I go. Àwọn asọ́lé àti ẹ̀kọ́mẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ àwọn wíkí wà ní àwọn kéjì gbogbo ayé.
Bóyá kò ní because ìgbé aga ní ọmọ fún àwọ̀ yìí, ọmọ fún bàbá bí na gbọ́n sẹ̀. So, ẹbí náà oríṣẹ́ ẹ̀dọ́gba ìnáwó ọ̀hánmẹ́ ọ̀sẹ̀rẹ̀ òwe àgbàlọ́mọ mẹ́mẹ́ problem ìhùwẹ́ ọ̀ ìbìẹ̀mẹ́. If we are a problem, our VF last year.
Ani we mami go ye ni ohun o yan ni biele nu e.
Mami go ye.
O mami una ya mu go yo wo down. Ipo ni ke ni biele nu we ni. We mami no ma una mi o ne mi we ma re ya pe we for here we Dublin ibu a wiki our vandalizing ya. Anono na.
Baba.
What down?
Baba. We need that una say. Really different women in
yes.
Any good job, everything. What say yes, but I didn't say because in a way, my way, me here. It will beg or now okay on a
my way, about to fear carrying with my way when we got the child.
No, you well or not. Where are selected
Erioji, not a more down. Yes. Okay.
Are you marriage in your church? You're gonna say marriage, a marriage almost €2,000.
Yes.
A marriage in Herenia.
Yeah, at all.
Away church wedding in 2017.
Yes.
Away court in 2018. Court wedding in 2018. Yeah. Baba, Anaro. No knowing well who now where a coma you where away you ruin.
What's your one and where you worry?
What's your Hunana who worry for no reason? You said, Doctor, Ikimunare, Manaro, Airo, Idiva, or you so tana where now we allow or Hame or Sege,
Basta.
to move me.
Una we no mu enu eh.
Ina we no mu me. Ona we o. Oyi ku efo ne. Ona ja we petrol, oyi we trouser, ogbe ukmo yekun. Ina we of me na mu dia the bedroom. I say bedroom, very well. Ama ogbe trouser, odo gbe mi na yekun na we. E me na boy me na fa na we. Na we make away. What's na yeje abi na nai.
Mudia uke continue my. This is the woman and the man talking. So this is the man talking on phone and the wife. This is the wife. This is the wife. This is the man and this is the wife. Now see both of them be look alike. They be fit, but the woman not keep her bekus. You not keep her bekus. You not keep her bekus. See two of them be fit. Oma keep away. You not keep her bekus. Ana mi obi ana bi era we bedo pie kia you. Era mi era ijo. Bana we have analyze. Wa mi o wa ri yan ba te bi te gbe. So e won ni ma wa yan. Leave this woman. Udage. So I want you all to know the woman and see her with the husband. See her, both of them look alike. You know, so when you marry a woman, man can't look alike. See two of them look alike. But the woman, based on say, she not fit keep herself. You know what I'm saying? Why would they talk? So when woman don't do her shower, that bekus, when the woman don't want, you know, the benefit for one man, he must choke her leg for outside to blow. See the way they fit each other. How can this woman, now the husband they talk, so a man married you and you are still opening love for everybody? Why? If they need of this bagua, oh, piano move you want. Where you are born kill my When I see the woman and the man, they will look alike. So that is why I want to make una know. See two of them. Now see two of them. Very handsome YouTube people, more than say about YouTube, face here. So on their Thanksgiving of their wedding day picture, see their marriage day, see now see two of them. You see so you will see why our women, my brother Mudoke continue plan. You will see why our women who are eki agbe who are porobata, awu porobata ijeni dogun. Why me kwelo wono go wato ya bole ki abole lele ya. We hope you are why I will disqualify you. What my brother?
So, are you so tired?
They'll take a little nowhere, but we will see another where you want to continue from there.
Yes, every time we
I will be soon. When you soon again, I cannot wear a worry.
My brother, no will for now on me.
Yes.
Boss years away, there was a day, big Winare, or some there was one lady, or mighty get before.
Yes.
So, may so when at a mawa, a lady now, or Tiwell, or we mighty get you where we are, because all are for 2 hours.
Yeah.
Oh, worry phone for 2 hours. Yamosu, Niro Wodo, Nya Bohoye, Koni,
okay, I will sit down.
You money, you want. And my brother. So, we made it that day, not a man. Obobona not related.
Give to more FA. Muja give to more FA. I gave me ready with who are illegal when picture will have done Ogun Bera. Ogun Bera. Era Ogun Be. Who I gave me ready, I represent Ogun Bera. Ah, what Bera. I will wait for the bottle. In my picture will have anyone you now. Yeah, I go and me pen. Oh, my picture will have done. Sharply screenshot and keep it on it. Pen. You are very nonsense. I will check here. Guanyao Resas Association.
So,
Guanyao.
Oh, body deleting that here. Nowhere. They call you, call you, you know, see what thing I see. So, another time, lady, well, okay, I'll come tomorrow.
Yes.
So, now, okay. Now, I'll come tomorrow. So, maybe what, now, we can marry toilet.
Yes.
For me, kick toilet today. from a cake toilet, where Ovie Bata. And now, boy, now, where you go? Where I go meet.
Yes.
Now, but you thought saying that tomorrow, the next day, oh, we're here.
Yes.
Where we are changing my dinner away, how we are here. So, Bonnie, and I hope where everywhere, all have more gear because you don't know where only around the mouth here.
Yes.
Where nowhere, oh, yeah, we are there.
Yes.
And not my way, I hope where, Saturday, you know, where, yes. So, on a walk back. So, if no new where Okuna, also a moon, where was a not a video. So, the next day, Megiki, Munare, and not a Mawoki, Nalo Yaki, Okuna ya refuse me where Yemue,
Alors oui, mou nous.
For no reason, my mama gui.
Okay.
Oh, I do like better who no over year Pentivia.
Okay.
Who no go a year Pentivia in a way, since I got more. Yeah, who made then a spirit of more around. Calo Yakibi, who now well, who poor pony and back. Now, so I bet. Yes, why you bet in here? On a walk back way. We walk back way on a walk day if you come edgy. No,
On a dit quoi, Wedgie?
I'm telling you. You know what you so? No one women walk up women walk. No way, you know, we like you know. No way, can you go hammer or he? I'm telling you, Papa. On a well, no one women, you know, we don't have women walk. We may want so new on a boy on our city room. Big Paris city room in here, and now we're in a yeke.
On a payé.
May you so point now. What you have open door now? We know, we go back. Now we go back away. And now we may be aware or we could know.
Hey, load that music phone. It's down here one. Tell your man to load that phone. Close your hand.
Oh, no. Okuna. And up now, because of woman, Otono. And up now we are back on it. When I say back on it, my brother,
yes.
Give back on it.
Good afternoon. Stop the blessing. Yes, down here.
It why are so now we hail you woo Okuna. So that means where I may no car, I may no car where I will push your things before I I could push your things.
I don't want to let me where you buy.
Yes, now the video day now. I will send you the video now.
Send me the video. May I show the video to the world, the woman on Amigo your own. I don't feel anywhere you buy. What now?
My brother, or if you may buy Ubo Bonnie, not to Antima, the Mantia where no kilo me. Being a man once,
yes.
Oh, you know. Being a man once, oh, you know, not a pastor, not a Ubo Bonnie where you don't know that phone. Oh, wow.
And the church of Power Evasion.
Yes, now, yeah, the church in my wedding here.
Now where the pastor not 10 or kilo, we ain't kid.
Oh, we ain't kilo me.
You want to be pastor, we ain't kid.
Oh, yeah, kilo me. Oh, yeah, kilo me. Another, the pastor not the book.
Your destiny, yes.
Where another book date where another way committee meeting.
But I tell the church, the pastor no book it, but I tell church one.
Assembly.
Assemblies of God Church. No, the real Assemblies of God Church.
Yes, now.
No, all over the world.
I think the branch.
The branch, and the branch, okay.
So, the pastor, man, the book it. Now, when the committee, the elders of the church, now to intervene. I intervene, you have to tell me,
Likely afternoon. What now,
when So another personal way, listen, my sister, now my eye me away. Get that phone, get job. Okay, now since you complain where you know, now what you were ashawo, what you were be again, only other word. And at my now why you before get to a tear or have a be again, even if you know.
Yes.
What
At all.
Because if you need better, no, so don't be responsible. Yeah,
at all.
I'm not responsible because of who no it look be have chatting, no you go be have go and your ex-boyfriend whatever communicate and all that. So what do you call that? No?
Oh,
you know? So I only now time okay. Now to wait. But since where or we be again on a mountain says oh well I don't want marry again. I don't want marry again. So on another time I will allow. Okay, when you want to make your husband come back house. On how many way 3 months? On our way.
I want 3 months now. Okay, I do what?
Yes. On that time I will. Wait 3 months already. 3 months you will have time away that phone. We not deal with 3 months. On that time away, bring it down. Or wait 2 months. On our way, no. Or wait 2 months is too far. On that time away, okay, now let me do it for you, please. 1 month. Okay, another 1 month. So that 1 month, you know, my brother, I was on the street. On our way near CO1.
Oh, when I went outside for 1 month, I went outside.
For outside, in I pay go I was paying 500 euro I pay every month. Now I pay. So you pay you go 1 year. So you're not aware okay. A year warrior and all that. Now we're fine. Okay. My brother, Okuno Gwale settlement or Gwale every avenue. Excuse, no making that excuse you where oh, give no he can't cost me, he come house, he can't do this. Now okay, I'm still begging. Yeah, send you a message or you pay voice record you will. Be Denita, he begging ya. You might send you a voice on need your bone. He might write you where I need your bone. He's begging, he beg up to date. So we're not barring a year, Okonamakwe, and I believe set another date again. Where you lao go that for where sister or new where that for where bridge that any attack. Okay, lao, get be worry, and I be worry. Are you worrying then? Where another baby me die you go? No, I tell you now, say this man not fit change. I tell you now, say this man not fit change, blah blah blah. Why they look for every avenue? Most women are also penalty with madam. Why you not take your husband enter house? Why they be say you look for excuse to make the whole world, everybody don't beg, everybody don't talk to you. If you know why they do like this, also you not go agree, madam. This they don't do. For the past how many months now, people don't talk to you. Why they look for excuse?
Yes.
My brother, no know where. Oh, you know, I be talking there, but what anywhere, what day you go, you go, what life, where. Even though where
I'll be so down. Yes, down your go now.
Where you made up in my day where oh you know where she's not going back because already I saw a few where you are there.
Yes.
Already I saw a few where you are there.
Yes.
I beg. There was a day now we go my church people go. Husband and wife, and I used to work. This woman knelt down. But the Afon River, on a deep one, my sister. I beg you. My own, no, I did make it, I did give you instance. Marriage is not like that. Marriage is all about endurance, it's all about tolerance. before you go into marriage, you suppose know say, see as it go be, it's up and down. You have to bear it. You know, tell me now as if do my way. You see our mama, our papa, with this, they are married, they do 40 years, 50 years. Say their husband go see marry other wife. Because they want to stay with their husband, they want to endure. It's all about endurance and marriage. We come from different background, different home. On a deep way. Now for where on a wife, flip up.
Yes.
No, why you beg me? Don't beg me, not beg me. No, that lie.
That we want on.
No, you know what it's like that. Nobody's like that. My brother. And so we do all the date. Now beg, I still they beg, everybody still they beg. My assistant pastor no day with that one on the call my wife. Could they talk to her and say, Madam, take your husband in the house. This thing don't do.
Yes.
This thing don't do. This thing.
Yeah.
Well, best way want to take your husband in the house. I don't take outside now for close to 5 months. 5 months. I don't take outside. Every day, no day with the only beg, no day with the only talk to this woman. No, say this woman. So I feel where you are.
Okay.
So she agreed to me where even I've been boy where when you saw Louis cook.
Okay, and I agree with you where.
Yes, now.
Allow me a Louis cook be away now.
Yes, where even I've been boy where.
That you had to be a ball, a little be away valley. Okay.
You know, when I've been boy where now we're matter. Bonnie. Not the assistant pastor, not my game, no high, only not here, you know, madam. Not the morning, we move on, eh? We move on, where we need the mechanic web, yes, we matter, you know. We move on, eh? So, Baba, now so the matter, it be. You understand?
Okay.
Now so the matter be.
Now, I ask you some certain questions before I proceed. During this process, Nelson Ayaro, Uche family Egwin Agwa.
You were or tea or not now because of this my issue.
The other sister Egwe the get Egwan now, they know.
I'm telling you because
okay.
That was the first only time I wear Igwe Egwan Moko Kowe. Moko Kowe Yota Fuelawa. I go Egwan now also the Inatama now we're okay. So where I mean no. Now we're okay. That's to show you.
Yes.
That's to show you where you know. That's to show you where equally peace. Now we're okay.
Yes.
I will go Gimarie or die lawyer. Let me sign. Then you will sign. If any such like that come up again, do your worst.
You will love when I'm a bone. A bone on no Martin. When I'm where sir, we will walk more.
Yes.
It will bar. We will bar. I will share. I will do you. You know my people. Oh, I will share. I will. Oh, where are your bag in fire? Do you? Well, my people walk with them now. No, it will. When a white good man, a white barrel. Oh, we put about erosion, man. Erosion. But now, okay, I'll tell you what now. You maybe I don't know where. A pastor here, a church in need, a pastor here running since 5 months in now where you worry now. There be the pastor who yours is there good 5 months. I want you to tell that.
Pastor, they talk to her.
Pastor, they talk to her, and she still they go to church, Abi.
Yes, now.
And you still they go to church.
Yeah, they go to church.
And una too they see for church.
Yes.
Una too they see for church. And 2 of una they quarrel. And the pastor tell a pastor the vandalize the pastor Jew. That is pastor Jew. If a pastor is not a Jew, let me tell you, my brother, I don't be lost by this fake pastor. Let me tell you information. The real pastor, I will let you know, Memoguegwana was baptized in Assemblies of God Church.
Baba.
I want to tell you today now, who's to assembly now, no. In the grade of Reverend Kaka in the Dot District Superintendent, The end of adultery years back. Now, that was 1997, 96. Now I'm telling this guy, I'm putting it to you, that this time, you as a married man, you and your wife had dispute for good 5 months, and you are attending the same church, and the pastor is dead, and he called your wife refused to bring peace, and your wife is still attending the church. Your wife threw your property out of the home and placed your property outside. He refused to allow you come into the matrimonial for good 5 months, and both of you every Sunday must meet. Don't you know that maybe the pastor don't chop your wife? Let me tell you something. Let me tell you, a pastor who a pastor ni will know what here, but let me tell you why now a pastor who a pastor ni a pastor that a pastor woman for good how many months? 5 months. That pastor, I will check that pastor. If the head of the pastor need to be removed and one of the members of the church need to continue, other pastor go on.
Married man. No, yeah, no, for that.
Hey, no be a double married man. Look at what this pastor 5 months. Your wife, you are outside. The pastor refused to settle you people.
They don't do. The man don't talk.
And the man will suspend the girl from the church. The man will list the assemblies of. Let me tell you about Assemblies of God Church.
Exactly.
Let me tell you about Assemblies of God Church. Let me tell you about Assemblies of God Church. In years 1996, so there was a girl. We were all in the church, in Assemblies of God Church. After my baptism, I was supposed to be welcome. They said because I slept with that, I was suspended in Assemblies of God Church. I was sitting at the last seat. Till they decided to, I didn't leave the church. I still keep on going to the church until they called me back. Let me tell you, I know the rule of Assemblies of God Church. I was suspended. I was sitting in the last seat. What is this man trying to say? What to spread the image of Assemblies of God Church? I am a member of Assemblies of God Church Nigeria. I am baptized in Assemblies of God Church. I will let you know, yes, this man, that pastor, doesn't know his left from his right. I was being suspended in the house of God, yes, because they said I slept with a choir, my choir mistress. My fellow chorister, they say I sleep with her. And I don't sleep with that girl that day. Because the choir master came to my house, he can't see me with the girl from my room. Privately, no, before we open door, we never do anything, but we were just kissing. Me, I don't like to go. We were kissing and romancing. That's all. But I was suspended, say I do. I don't do. Now you're born. After they now say, God, me, I don't do. For me, I don't do. You dey understand me? So do not allow that pastor, Assemblies of God, then we suspend you. I know the church of Assemblies of God Church. That man is not a real pastor. He's a fake man. If they don't sleep with that woman, go on.
We think that we don't talk before. You understand? Nyaka time, you understand? So the assistant pastor did time where, that is going to be the option.
That is going to be option. For how many months? For how many months? He need to suspend that for how many months? For how many months? For how many months? For how many months?
The assistant pastor, the pastor, they did their best.
That pastor, na doubly a church pastor wa calling now. Nigga, he showing you know. Nigga, hello. It's why, pastor. A pastor wa wo ni. Boss a pastor wa mana suspended. Your pastor need to suspend that woman. Assemblies of God Church me in. Every me time when every baptized, I suspend him. Yes, you call me say yes. You tell the pastor as you called me since you have called me. But once a pastor when I suspended, the pastor, the matter is still ongoing for 5 months. And the both men and women at the church, when may want take us, where I cannot head of the pastor, because I have a lot of issue that I will know people that are talking. You are one of the pastors, but I know. But the fact is that, let me tell you, in the church, the pastor need to suspend her. Let me tell you why they need to suspend the lady. Do you know what? In Assemblies of God Church, I know the Doctor of Assemblies of God Church. I am a full member of Assemblies of God Church before I left Nigeria. Listen, if when I will love my co-chorister member, I suspend him. I was sitting at the last seat. Nobody will sit with me. A bit of my proof in my way, I know they come here. A bit of a pastor was there. Well, we were on my proof in my matter, move out the church. Yes, I want to hear me from Bob. Where you where you are, no way, time and we kiss anything, but you may tell us. Oh, hey, Pastor, you go on top, go and meet mommy. Oh, God. What will you time? When we a matter, when I call the platform, not the one here. Without your papa, man. La papa, when I walk on, no one say no, when you matter here. Hello? Hello, you water? Hello, my brother, go home. When it are?
My assistant pastor, you will work.
Assistant pastor work one now. Assistant pastor Tana where Uma confirm me where. Oh, only where Uma proof my woman way. You got my way. Hello. My brother go out here, scholar. Hello. I mean. Why? Okay, WK call you. Okay, what I go. Umen wa jere we wa mo phone ba ko my brother. Wa go picture go. Zoom we picture time I time.
Victor. Pastor here on what the woman pastor
okay, I say pastor be Dublin.
Yes, secondly, government of Mugwania, government of Mugwani, council mostly Dublin, Kerry, Yafi Kokimeya, where I want Mugwania, I think so my brother Victor, why I go before, I go, I become a pastor and I spent 14 years in the Monade, I buy a Monade here.
Okay, we got a pastor on in there. Okay.
Manchester or Ghana, he has someone okay.
Yes, your man, yoga, or mammy, or my own calling now, or where you went up, where you went up, when a pot erosion. Hey, or Sapo, our wiki, no money, no, why, however, is your moya police, I will, erosion we may wait potopoto. Why stay you want to be able you are one vandalize? Abu water, a potopoto erosion women, a Zaza association. Why walk over? Why? Thank you. May we let me on. Thank you, caller. Yeah. Okay, no mania. Okay. Okay, mania, my brother. I need to pick up call. Okay. Feel well. Pick him one. And my brother, Mudao, since we're calculating, women were about the case, and women were, or you know, come, Nimere no tayo, women were, where women were, cut a woman were going to be what in your call. Women were. It was, or we are going, we are coming with case Nakabuegua. And thank God we welcome and I was happy so that no or when you go only one una baby only when you piano la is so when men were go
phone now I'm speaker.
Ni mo speaker, mo yo ne, me to we agbo, mo yo ne. Eh, leave there. Gwa ya hu. Umenwa gwa ya hu. Hello, umenwa. Neto. Hello, umenwa. We mo yeke. Ye fa on ewe. Hello, umenwa. The man over here call umenwa ni. Àwọn no call wo mi o call we wo na ma no gun a. Wa ma oni menwa gun a. Awu wa na call e na gun a. Yeah, because I call it life on menwa ni. Hello menwa, I wa call you, wa bi wo ni o call you, wa cha wo call you we nu gun a. Wa ya hun. Gwa ya hun. Ọ̀rẹ́ speaker gwa ya hun to wo ni ekesi ni no gun we gwa wo ni. Wo sunu wo ni ogun me gwa we ta me na hun wa. E ma tie we no we la wa hun wu mu enu menwa. Umenwa la to go to magwa wo so wa ti ewe no jo yeje. So gun me gwa wo sunu me ba to wo ni Exas Association woman who le promoter erosion gwa ya hun.
Yes, my brother, what
You said. Yes. Yes.
Now, when we're marrying, what the one in social media, not who come to time, but who never not aware.
Yes.
So, my brother is better at high secrets out of live video.
Yes.
You know, who the man put you on, get you one night to lose it, man. Who I am on what I will do to present us.
Yeah.
I am going to I don't know about this now. I will kill the free of you. Don't come with the phone, what you have here. It may give you a point of when the man I do my dinner. When I put our woman, not the book, not what I look at the Nini. Oh, when I eat, but the men hit your baby.
Never good.
What's not what that mean? Yeah, I keep it bizarre at the Biaga. Yeah, I keep it bizarre at the Biaga. Now we know that's very, very bad. I don't even know how when I only conference call with you. I want to conference both of you together.
Yes.
The woman will be a Yahoo. Otoyabahu, Yirio, Biana. Those me, now I am. Oh, you are January the problem.
Oh, I know where Frank of top by Nona. Oh, what you want to be aga? Oh, be a catch you, what you be aga, be a good message and love, no one. Oh, what it be aga? It be aga. If I time I don't mind the meaning. Oh, no, go be a rower. Oh, be a big love message gear. Love. And be a man before that be away. Ọ̀nà tàmẹ̀jì woman òwò ni yẹn tàwé ẹ̀rọ mi òwò gbọ́ pé àdìgún àwọn òbíà náà wàá kó tẹ̀ love òwò ni màá gbọ́ òbíà náà lè táwọn tí yóò bá tiẹ̀ love. Ọmọ tẹ̀lé sọ ẹ máa wé mi gbé àgà mi tí ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ àgà àfẹ́kù ẹ̀ mẹ́wẹ̀ẹ́ náà ni. Ẹ tí ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ àgà yóò dà tó òbíà náà wọ́n náà wá ètí tó táyọ̀ wọn wá sún ìràyọ̀ wọn ó yà á yẹ wáyé yọ̀ mi wọ́n wá bọ̀ sọ lẹ́gùn ìwò. Aṣàwọ̀ wẹ̀ ó yà yín aṣàwọ̀ yín wẹ̀ jẹ́ à rí ajáwọ̀ pọ̀ á ajáwọ̀ bí máa ń gbẹ̀ ní ìwé láfọ̀nà láti ní ìwé ní APA version ọdún ìwé náà máa nà owó oyè àwẹ̀ rubbish ọgọ́ ọ̀tí ọ̀tàpọ̀ ẹ̀ ọ̀pọ̀ gbà wá bí owó náà bí àná dáná náà yẹ làwọn náà bọ́ lé kí á ní umẹ́wà gbọ́yà hù. Yes. You know, okay, go on.
Let me tell you the truth.
Yeah. Yeah, so you won't be an okay.
That's the truth. You understand? Let me tell you one thing. According to this woman here, if I near a conference call and I hear the both of them talking, you understand? You see what this man told you now? Walking here, to chat the phone. That was not what he told me. You understand? What he was talking about, he is a jealous lover. Anybody know what go phone or that's what you can be up here. And the millions on Guna. And then I never took their would be up there. I moved to Guna the movie. When we take me again, we get to you.
Frank, are we a reply? Well, are we a reply? Okay, reply, Frank is down your time, Frank, with Frank one. Okay, when you move down, the Frank, when you move down, and you can't go on. Okay.
Okay, fine. Now, when we see come down,
Uno more one in there. Okay.
The man is too harsh to this woman and his children.
Call out from W. I will pick your call to make Frank me one better of one own.
That's what we are. As far as what over we think going on, you should show love to the kids. The love in the children with your honey, you will make the woman to fall more in love with you. You understand? Then this man, and I call this woman to order. In a beg a woman, a woman would lie, when I hot here, when I hot here, okay, now who have as a man to man, in our bros. Try to assist this woman domestic things for house. I don't know who I get. I don't know who try to win this woman house. You understand? Because if you know who I now got my sister or I mean or what team would know, when we bring my own way. Bro, I talk to this man privately. You understand? Now the only thing you do to win this woman back to your house, buy her some gift, romantic things, tell her sweet words. Don't win her back because we have love in the devil when we go away. Who threaten her with the courtist? Many things the man not they are threatening the woman now, which the woman confessed. The both of them was online on conference call. You understand? I pleaded with the woman.
Mother, close my door. Yami, where go around?
You live with the film with this woman, choose idea, we take those down, we take accept you. Still you careful strategy to get this woman out.
Yeah.
Do you know after telling me like man calling you? But when you been on Wajina and men about what you women on Wajina, or we only want to know like the live video, what I want to smoke my hand. You understand? You know what it is going on, woman. The woman has made him matter where, or you might care. You might care. You might want to smoke my hand. I don't know what is going on. Look, I don't know what is going on. I don't know what you look, man. I will tell you, look, where 50 euro, I let the movie, I mean, right? You know, I let the movie, I mean, 50 euro. Let me have 50 euro, I don't know euro. This wouldn't just go on. Oh, no, okay, I will get back to you in a week time. And I was shocked today now. I don't know what I did from away.
Yes. Yes. My brother, I want to know Frank Victor Tana.
Yes. Let me reply.
Call up on W, I will pick your call. Hold on. Whether or not anybody, I will pick my call. My brother, reply Frank Victor. When the Frank Victor Tana? Amount of Frank Victor Tana? Yes or no?
Yes, wait.
Yes,
Victor,
okay.
You see the day where you conference me and my wife. You understand? When you conference me and my wife take to you, you not go where and I will talk over and not talk where.
Call up on W, I will pick your call. I see your number.
So before
The number that end with 652, I will pick. Hold on. Go, my brother.
Before he came to Atio Hame Igbeagia, from it I also hear me. I never go into details. That day, you know, so the two women I talk, my mama, Guan, and we never talk at length. Before he came to Atio Hame Igbeagia, he need beg no. He married Guatia Igbeagia. You understand? So I maybe not time where my love over here, those are all plantar lies.
Okay, but we tell you that we work in the Frankish. What we man time from water.
No.
But when I tell me from when no one time why very like but when I tell me from oh one time.
Listen, I tell Frank say most of the things where she dey talk say it dey lie.
And the woman tell them you dey talk am.
Yes, I tell her say.
Frank don't tell me you are. Umewe. My brother, I will really.
Ow, there's nothing like. Hello, Frank. Yes. Yes, that's what she said. Yes. Okay. Already bondage. What kind of bondage is she? The kind of bondage. Imagbe. Okay. Okay. Or where the most important one. Not where we I wish, of course, imagine yes, because you really beg no. So imagine what here.
Okay, now time Frank even no beg the Frank here. Even no time Frank in here. No time Frank, well, even no beg no me awe mu time Frank. Ne me adam e on here.
Where I send the message.
The message me send there.
My love. Good morning, my love. Good morning, my love.
Okay, Frank, I am your calling and I may pick and you're calling Uyaro and I may pick or Frank. Okay. Yeah. So my brother, I want to know. Hello?
Yes.
Where me I go on date of our calling now. Or when you know and you may know and when we're time and you know about the man again because we so nigga do your call with a number now nigga.
What do you know?
Or where do we move with a mini before hello? Call your honey the woman one. Hello? Well, look at Ukere, we had to go and look at Ukere. Domano. A double, tell her then I'll see a woman here. If I was here by church of Bawajo. If I okay, who can say no where anywhere? Esther. Okay, Esther, David Wagwan can see a double where we are going can. A platform here to where I told you, well, who got told it, Ogun menefe una onu choro Ogun menefe ogbu we say Ogun menefe ogbu e o afi un bo won Ogun gbu e who we say owo una wa me uwo no po me uwa wa me no si olo okin olowo wa nu e who we say nu kete mata o kegun a igbise yo o wa wenu liye ke se ni e who soon we me no job so sai mi o we ya se nunu we ni a
Victor emi ya be Victor ta lo na o re ya kin o ka ni o ka fe ma no no
ogun a mo ugba na umi e wo ma no gwa a me ti o we ugba ma no gwa and e Victor ta Victor o ke no tie me we ma no gwa o ke ma da ka gwa ya hu
because of one very quiet woman emi ya be normal not and Victor is the most worst man not this egg and Victor ani o normal o the double useless idiot
we wa tie ju Victor ju Victor mare we my tita we wa tie useless man we madam ni ku we gwa madam je Victor madam ya no water pa una wa tie Victor it want to explain when Victor is a useless man he's a hopeless man he's the most useless man in Dublin una name in a Victor we wa tie bo na Victor ya vi evidence la dia ijima o madam we o time no we o ke nu we zeni nu we
money no special type no Victor how you buy money
Don't my go oni.
La madam. La madam. I know what about.
Mudia Victor wa anu madam ta mudia. Don't my go money. 100 years of money je.
13 years.
Oh wait 13 years. So madam, umie uzana we on in we tape away Victor go money ne. Ah don't my go who is pressing the bell? Oni yake u. Oni Bianca yake u. Oni goke u ne Bianca. When a Victor you get by no money. Victor, when time we were spending 7,000 euros everything this and this. Where you get by no money. And what I know.
That is the beg. Who the beg? Modivai.
Victor, why Victor?
Listen.
Victor, damn your man, what, who was the Rayo? Ciao.
Yes.
Victor.
Listen, listen. The whole world is watching me. You can't tell that when you do a tour.
Victor, yes.
Listen, my wife, your pay top up.
Madam, damn your man, Victor, Vemboyo, and I'm able to do that. You want to Vemboyo.
Listen, my brother, the you want to do women.
No good boy, who am I you want to go pay boy?
No, go pay women. Madam, you want to boy. That is super truth because you are not in my home.
Madam, tell me I know where Madam we're going to stay you want you.
What are you staying with me? Who will stay me,
Madam, you know the I say no. Madam will talk where and the Victor over by one with Madam we already have no way. Oh, we are one here. But one me with my Victor if you where you are you are not happy now vandalize or be or kungo or bobania. Oh, no, go on, damn your madam. Oh, no, get Victor why are here we are going. Oh, no, get away. Why I see one here. Ijamo Rigo. Ebe do na su se. Igbi agabiwe. Ijamo Rigo. Ebe do na su se o. Igbi agabiwe. O jani Ijamo ewo wodo. Well said Ijamo ewo wodo. Ijamo BME at the end. I went 20 years celebration. Oto ariye oriye ni odo. Oriye ni odo egbano bi egbano wo. Victor e bi abi chocha de Victor. But Otana wona ka bole kiane. The eyes of the gods. Victor awake awe do. Ikano we mi na Victor. Victor won awake awe do. And Ikano we Victor. Dey kiawe we now do for ko wona say. Oh, wona we kiawe pagbe Ikano we dey kiawe do anoyo wona pa. Madam Muja gegun amekano tana le dey kiawe do. Victor wa yaun.
Efeyi la ohuni tamae.
Pastor Madam Muja ne Victor gun adeke Victor edon. Victor gun e kiawe do bi edon.
Madam, now imeduru wodo imaewe now. I don't know you. Madam, duro wania. Dey tamae side we. Nibu adu wani do we. Dey kiawe do dey don.
Madam, mata no ni ya we practical. Madam, the how you need to take Victor do. Ya the Victor do down when you get to get it on.
Yes. Ni ma va we practical my va. Dey kiawe don, dey don. Madam, tamae side we. Madam, listen, that is what that this thing.
Madam, ya know what apa o. Obo an to my way ki ari gbagbe.
Thank you. Abi we o rene.
Victor, this is very, very important thing. Onata, we care with madam.
Yes.
Madam, Victor, muja, no, Onata na. Oh, can you toto, eh?
Yes.
Madam, Otani, I know when I la, madam. Oh, time we care Victor in winner. Ni wa matter. Only. Victor, can't know what I went to Ona.
Yes, now.
He can't know well. Ona no tell me now. Madam. Okay, my baby.
My brother, FAE. That is what.
Madam, when no call in here.
My brother, now wait till they don't fabricate with that. Now wait.
My Victor, forget I fabricate the program. It is going to the women of fabricate. No, I will hear to FAE branch. Imo tawe any woman of your way you are tearing this kwakwa kokopini master because ogona no wona tana e na mota o fabricate I disquaka the mo this kwakwa e obi oyele nu wi aje we promoter of any bu nu we my name e we bonange wata mame iwe no mo se we no wowo iwe no ye po iwe ya ibi ya ne wa ye ta mame ni ba ya bi bona. So Tony mame, you know mame, I take care of you for. So anyway, mame, so yeah, here sorry, I will discuss that. Hey, more I have this about what tago. Money. Oh, one big be a guy respect. Not big be a guy be in your paper in on the one anyway. So madam, I go by only you that. Call up on top, wait, other caller, ni him no one out. Madam, go ya very important call. Madam, go ya. Madam, gwa we Victor la wa wakate minuta na. Yo ni to 2 minutes. Madam, what time am ni e deke Victor don. So that ni make na nobody ma la yo, make ya gbagbe.
Thank you.
Deke don ya no time am ni make na mi na o le Victor make ya gbagbe.
I beg FAE, I beg not listen to that one. That one a complete lie. I beg, listen to that one.
Madam.
That one a fabricated story.
Madam, another double people will call. Ni pa le get to woman no. So me answer them up well, man, madam. Later. So Victor, me ya no tapa. Owe kia we don, another couple. Anna ina be double. Hello, Mudia. Hello.
Hello, my brother.
Edo ano guana koyo. Hello, madam. Hello, good man. We had a good one. Number from Dublin, no, 756. Good man, one. Good man, one. The one where Zenunu when ya, madam, we're going like okay, no, good work one ya. He had a good one ya. Who were come quick one? Well, anyway. Waku kia mata I told the platform and do I told the Ukago school to know we so we a platform no na wa suma do ko wa to ogunme wa gbu e awa fongu yo anywhere those anu na to the mama ogunme agbu e who we say bi o ka gie who we say madam this kokopri masa I told you me u told the nenia utore nene abo ni wa se we anu ka se ninu we utore nene ya isede bo ni nu ya utu tore ye uto isede bo ni ni baba na anu to egbe mo we itore o me problem wa gwa ya madam ike yo ni yo na ta na ke no o ke gun o so pop bo ma ise ba we so gwa ya wata
I know the woman.
Madam, what you oh, yeah, go on. Loud the voice when I voice you.
Okay, sorry, I will.
Oh, my Lord. Pastor. I'm contributing now. Okay, Victor.
Okay. Yeah, to you.
Madam, my boy, I told you, we are in seven way in the
Okay.
Oh, we are where?
I know. Iye Jeffrey, no. I know him.
EJ Jeffrey, ma told you when no more, what I told you, I can't make one.
I know him. Now one of the people, now one of the women who spoil my wife.
Okay, if you talk with Jeba, we no more here license and association with Dublin.
Yes, now one of them be that. Me and she will don't feel correct. Now one of me and she will not talk. My vibe one. Now one of them young.
If you talk Mudani, you know, not time, madam. If you talk with Jeba, well, you here license association, matter now, you know.
Your Zago Wame, your number one, your Zago Wame. Your Zago Wame.
Oh, what the way, madam, what the way? Oh, what the way, madam? When $90 was you wedgie, when daughter wedgie, when my dollar was you wedgie. Madam, no, loud voice when I don't say what loud now, you only you never want my because you. Yes.
Iye Jeffrey, la racing. Where Warea? Who were la Iye Jeffrey? Who were Warea?
If you don't allow me, I'm not aware of where you want to go and madam go and down your way.
Okay.
Madam, when you work, echo set to a double. Yeah, my madam for 5 months. 5 months. Madam, if you don't like one, if la gume more kesina.
Okay.
La iwa going to swap our future. Just let me do what I'm asking question. Madam, who was said to a year future mammy for good 5 months. Madam, you are mammy. Oh, I'm down. This is a very bright. Madam, oh, down. 5 months of water, Bodekia, all the boy and left away. Oh, dying. For 5 months, una woman, Mary, we are to. Oh, go, ya say a kind of water, dying. Imala, I'm down. Imala, down. Oh, we're here for 5 months. Hey, Samuel, what are you? Oh, that 5 months. Who are our shower to get to clean? Whoa, 5 months. What must I do? Oh, yeah, oh, go better wire. When a bit of your belly, one for 5 months, what must I do the case? I'm going to check a kind one. I'm going to move. Oh, I want to talk about 5 months, you must settle a marriage. Who I consent to a why consent any back your one way? Or one to the paper platform and we my way camp. Or we will go on like that to the paper on my camp. Ah, the eyes of the gods. If you thought that the way, then you go one at one AM no one at Victor, I will not go and allow. Madam, Ogwo BJ Jeffrey. Ogwo is a BJ Jeffrey. Ogwo BJ Jeffrey like me. Achawo. Ogwo BJ Jeffrey like me. Bomeya Ogwo. Isa Ogwo BJ Jeffrey Achawo. Jeffrey. Yaki Asani Jeffrey. Italo Tetawe. Ogwo BJ Jeffrey. Ije Jeffrey Achawo. Muna tota kota po ma se to ogbo mo egwa me ni tiapo me muta o me wa sara ya tiapo mo Ya mwe pa kwelo, mwe achawo. Ogo kije tapi, achawo. Ogo biju e gboto da for wedding. Ogo gbu wa da boy. Ogo bije tapi o. O bije tapi gbota for egbele o. Achawo. E plato ni me. We deki aji. U deki aji. We wona wa deki aji. Nonsense. Nonsense. Who were planning to go around? Achawo. Awa bere good bijo Jeffrey. E plato ni me na yakuri. Marriage must be peaceful. I said, why are you doing Jeffrey? Who stand up and make baba to come in on my platform? Yes, who is this? Where? Where, mommy? Oh, where? Not my brother. Oh, where? Madam, Muda, oh, down nowhere. Where don't where you will make a piece of my head. Oh, go, Atawo, Alaluwe. Oh, I want to go quiet, Atawo. Oh, go, what's that on Baba? I will be a little way to please. What's that on Baba? Oh, go. Oh, I want to wear to bring go. What's that? Is that your way? What now? What now? I'm a shower. Get out. What now? Is that your way? I want to wear to go. What now? I want to wear to go. What now? Who got it, my baby? What now? I'm a shower. I want to demand to go. What now? Ewo da bere la re wa bere alaluwe. Iwe double aṣawo. Iwe double aṣawo. Iwe double aṣawo. I want you to get patapoto to do erosion. Double women. What bell? I'm a promoter. Patapoto to do.
For 5 months.
5 months. 5 months for us settle. Double women to work for about erosion and for about wire to damage you with double. Here give away. If you are Nigerian, is still double. Nibu 90% way here for about erosion.
We are going to go down.
If we are here for about, we just here for about. What girl? What girl? What girl? Hello? Hello? Hello, caller? Hello? Koyo, I wish you to say happy Sunday, yeah. It's a Nigerian woman, she not talking, they send all guests, because they call the women, where be a Zaza women, Ashawo women, because they call me.
The Zaza Association.
My brother, hold on, man, look whether that one of the city call, not cut your hold on. Hold on, you are not saying you want to talk, I don't say you want to blast this woman, I'm going to blast hello, caller, who is this for W? Hello, Akwara. One of them were here, madam, anyone will call the W, no. Zaza woman in a double A, you want the guy? I will now your mummy. I was shouting what you double. And Zaza will not double. Who will put up on Russia for two for who know? Who is Zaza women? Two is Zaza women. Guayao. Oh, yeah, Guayao, two is Zaza women. I will not fucking here. Guayao, madame. Oh, my sister. My sister. My sister. My sister. My sister.
Those
My sister, we're telling you about last year. Wọ́n ní máa kún wá ṣe yóò máa tẹ̀mí lọ súnú èkì àìdán òwò ló pàtì ẹ̀ bọ̀ òpó ní jẹ́jẹ́ fi nà gbẹ́ òye wọ́tà fún ẹ̀ òbí àná làlùwẹ̀ ọgbọ́n ògbí jẹ́jẹ́ fi gbọ̀tà fún ẹ̀ ìjẹ́jẹ́ fi àfíàwù yóò wá ọ́ ìjẹ́jẹ́ fi àsúwù àtàwọn òwe pọ̀pọ̀tọ̀ ìrọ̀ṣọ́ ọlọ́lá plateau yìí mẹ́tò kún ọ́ àwọn abẹ́rẹ́ àwọn bíṣu ẹ̀ wà pẹ́ ọ́. Hello? Abi, agunwe kwa. Well, one you go back, or when have you back in me? All of you back in me, the platform, or go be Jeffrey. The platform in me, of you back in me, or go be Jeffrey. All of you back in me. It's Jeffrey. Okay. Ogo gbera fisue. You don't come to my place. Ogo gbera fisue. Awa bera. Hello? Hello? Oh, ije Jeffrey osie. Ije Jeffrey o saluari baba. O laluwe obi adabo laluwe. O suwu. My sister, ni go work one. My sister, go yam. Obiani, when Obiani time abe. Ọwọ́ bí ẹ̀. A platform in me. Obiani na to go to a few beg give me a platform in me. Nyebo lado wo ko cho me. Nu salo ari baba. Obiani o salo o la luwe wo. Obiani na my brother. He was in. He tell me away my sister. My sister, wo ba ma no kwa with peace senior. Umami na uye kwa no pure aro. My sister, madam, ya wa give you a time we are going. Undere we are going see madam. Madam, ya give you a time we are going. Ya give you a time we are going ya own. Yes. 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 Idame owe kwa yaun. What do you do your movement? I wabe ya figure on one na kugwa in the platform. No do I go a platform or where do I go here? On a few back me. Madam Davi owe. Ogo BJ Jeffrey. Ogo BJ Jeffrey. BJ Jeffrey have few back me. You want to go BJ Jeffrey but for her. Ah, what BJ Jeffrey what BJ Jeffrey. No you have few back me for my platform. You few back ogo better BJ one salon baba. Ah, ouais. Up you back me. The plateau in me. Ah, rapping out doye. One salary baba. You come to provoke me. Where jumping out here, man? Jumping in here, man. Where you are not right. Ah, rapping Jeffrey or salary baba. Ọgbọ́gbẹ́ yà gbẹ́ tàbí ọgbọ́gbẹ́ láti tú ẹ̀ yà gbẹ́ yà bí ebi ṣùwọ́ lọ́jọ́ yà bí ebi ṣùwọ́ lọ́jọ́ àwọn abẹ́rẹ́ wà bí ṣùwọ́ wà gbẹ́ ọ́ ẹ̀lọ́ ẹ̀gẹ́ jẹ́ bí pọ́pọ́kì náà ẹ̀lọ́ madam gbọ́ yà wí tàbí ẹ̀lọ́ kóyọ̀ ẹ̀lọ́.
I hear you.
Mwebo gbere Jeffrey mi je Jeffrey. Mwebo gbiyan. La mwebo gbere Jeffrey mi je Jeffrey mi. La okay. Jeffrey egi me mo wa na ka go feel back me. My sister, all ka go my friend mwebo gbere Jeffrey mi je Jeffrey. All egi me mo wa. All to feel what to tear body me mo wa. Oh, tiens, pas qui met mes plateaux, il met au bon ben Jeffrey, au bon budget. Y'a domaine, il tient pas bien. Y'a domaine, y'a tient pas bien Jeffrey. Y'a un peu bien avant. Au bon ben Jeffrey. Au bon ben Jeffrey. Ogun gbere Jeffrey gbije Jeffrey. Ogun gbere Jeffrey o gba plateau ime. Imo wo wa. Ogun gbere Jeffrey gbije Jeffrey. Ogun gbere Jeffrey gbije Jeffrey. Ala plateau wa ba ke wa ma. De plateau mi wa na we plo me. E mo me wa so mo no bi e. Be ni ta yo ya je. Wa. Ogun gbere Jeffrey gbije Jeffrey. Ogun gbere Jeffrey gbije Jeffrey o. Ogun gbere Jeffrey gbije Jeffrey. Ita. Ogun gbere Jeffrey gbije Jeffrey. Iya su wa. Wa beru wa biju wa e. Hello.
Hello, my you oh, especially
hello. My brother gwa ije Jeffrey o ya wa be wa gwa yan o me lo ya ya wa ije Jeffrey.
That was 2 weeks ago.
Ima una enjoy there now. A program now. I'm doing it for 2 weeks. Ije Jeffrey, Jeffrey, Ashawo nige, Odio Sahimita, 740 days. Yeah, we program now. Wa beru wa biju wa. Ogo beru. You tell me, I publish you. I've been Adoye. You jump to my platform to point out on me. Later, tell me who me now. Waka, yo. Yo. Yo, come down. Come down there. Yo. Okay, Rivano. Let me go to the matter. Let me iron the matter. I won't down to distract me. Let me iron the matter. Later, yeah. My brother, Guanyan, maybe I will down in Okoliban.
My brother, that woman 2 weeks ago, you know,
hello?
My back
hello?
Misunderstanding.
Hello, yeah. Hello, yeah. Yeah. You said what? Yeah, you are calling from Ireland. I will let you. What is your name?
My name is Jessica.
Jessica from Ireland. Do you belong to a Zaza association? Because a lot of people, women now in Ireland are Zaza. I want to know if you are one of the decent women. Now, because the Ireland women have decided to join the Zaza association. Hello, mother, I will let you talk. They have provoked me. Do you belong to a Zaza association in Ireland?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Do you belong to Valetos? You don't know what I'm talking about. You are calling me. You don't know the meaning of a Zaza. Are you married? You are asking me what is the Zaza? Who you speaking that English for? Come on, I beg. Talk to me well. Now me you they speak English. That English for you. We are not in the battle. Why those Ashawo women in Ireland be coming to my platform to mess up? Oh, God, baby, and Bishian. Tell all those Zaza women in Dublin, don't mess with me. Everybody's not the same. You are not like that. You are not a Sansa. You will say you are not a Sansa women. Let me let you talk. Go on with your speech. Go on.
All right, Mr. Faye, just please calm down. You have to deal with it.
Yes.
Just like somebody might call you and pick and
Provoke me.
get the matter very well.
Yes.
You can't just be worried about women like it's so mad. Come on.
I am a married man. That woman called me Mama Jeffrey. He said, oh, we ain't Jeffrey. Jeffrey. He ain't Jeffrey. That woman in my platform. What better our visual? Oh, we're not for the erosion. A platform, man. He just Jeffrey. Who are Ogo gbọ́dọ̀ bọ̀ wẹ̀ ìbẹ́ náà tàbí wẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ yìí mẹ́rin owó. Ó jẹ́ ó fi gbẹ́gùn mi ogo gbọ́dọ̀ bọ̀ wẹ̀ wá àzàlà. Ìjẹ́ Jeffrey, aṣáwó. Oh, no, Mama Gumegwame, you're the first woman to call me Jeffrey. Oh, what go say welfare? I will call you later. Ije Jeffrey, die warrior that what one you worry. Then the guy na time my sister go on.
Yes, now you know near. You know near.
Ije Jeffrey, what where you worry abi?
Yes, now.
My sister go on. My sister, your phone, your number is spent. Cut. Can you?
Hold on, Mr. Faye.
Oh, yeah, go on.
I'm trying to plead on Jeffrey's phone or whoever that for insurance on you.
Yeah.
Can you just calm down, please? In the name of God. They are all brothers and sisters. Don't think all those ways.
Okay, I'm hearing you.
You are a married man.
Même no konita, yem no konita.
So please, everybody is not the same. I don't like what is going on.
I'm hearing you, madam. I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you. Go on. I'm listening.
Like the noise over there is really, really.
Go on. I'm hearing you. Hello. I can't hear the woman well. EJ Jeffrey. And what this woman said just now, I know say I was not hearing her properly. I will let her talk because to let her talk because she was talking well. Hello, madam. Say what you want to say now, okay?
Like,
Can you please loud your voice, madam?
Yes, to loud her voice. Come here.
Loud your voice.
yeah, I said, Paulo, the man in question that Victor brought his wife issue.
Yes. Hello?
Hello?
My sister, I can't hear you. Your phone too fast. My sister from Dublin, your phone is so fast. What I will do, please, your phone is spent. I'm not hearing you, my darling sister. You are talking politely. I love women who talk. Even though you want hammer me, go stop with talk. You go use me hammer me. See, give me what? Brilliant women. Hello?
I think I have to get it.
Yes, we are not hearing you, madam. It's like your phone is faulty. Okay? May I pick another caller? Hello? Hello? Ọjọ́ wo ọgùn náà? Ògùn ọjọ́ wo egbò ayé ahùn? Ẹ̀rí ẹ̀yọ́ òmù mọ́jọ́ wo èè. Owó ní ìwà kọ́ni lè pẹ́tọ́ ìnà ọ̀yẹ́ ìtàmọ̀tà fún ẹ̀. Ọ̀yẹ́ ìtàmọ̀tà fún ẹ̀ náà náà lálù èbè dọ̀blì eré jẹ́bì. Ọ̀wẹ́ ẹ̀fẹ́ ìwà gbún ọ̀wà rí ọ̀wí yẹn omi wúyẹ̀ ní ẹ̀ta ìdègbèrè náà wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ wà bíṣẹ́ ẹ̀. Ẹ̀mẹ́nà owó ní ìtàlí náà wà píìsì mẹ́ ọ̀ aṣáwó nìyẹn dọ̀blì. Wẹ́rẹ́ abẹ́ aṣáwó nìyẹn dọ̀blì. Ẹ̀ dọ̀blì ìṣù yà aṣáwó. Àwọn aṣáwó awúwo pọ̀lọpọ̀tọ́. Ẹ̀yẹ́ fẹ́ dọ̀blì. Ìwà mi dọ̀blì aládùúgbò uwe rírọ̀ uwe yẹ wọ̀rọ̀ uwe yẹ wọ̀rọ̀ uwe yẹ wọ̀rọ̀. Àwọn aṣáwó wàá ṣe é wọ̀dọ̀. Iye rẹ̀ yẹ ọjọ́ wo la gúnyàgùn mi. Abu we no we are. Okay. Arun down. Nene, me awa come now. I will me continue programming now. I will, you know, yeah, we programming now for good 14 days. Yeah, one and I say, him had to settle down now. He Jeffrey, Aaron Jeffrey, him had to tell ya. When Jeffrey, I'm Jeffrey, when he Jeffrey, I got we be at the Bashawo, him had to feel ya, ya, Ogun BJ Jeffrey, Ogun Bere Jeffrey. Oh, you want more, Ọmọkan Jeffrey, Ogunbe Jeffrey, èrè ọ̀pá ìsúnúká Jeffrey, ọmọlúwa bí èrè ọ̀pá ìsúnúká ya, ọmọnìyàn manuwa, but why ọmọlúwa bíàwó, wúwà bíàwó èrè Jeffrey, wúwà súnwù, ọmọnìyàn yóò bọ̀ ma, wúwà sálọ àbábà, wúwà súnwù, ẹ platform ni mẹ́, wà dògún à. Who were gay? Wama egi malake sasa women. Who were me egi malake woni gbigbe agani ge. Our shower we bropoto bro. Uwi je bro apie kayo bro. Wa gbe o. Nuna do fiu be gumere plateau yen. Wa gbe o. A shower. Where do you make me plateau yen? Me plateau me je pour do tu abo me plateau. Ogun gbije Jeffrey. Achawo, now you my brother. Aria we wa tala bo ije Jeffrey na be je Jeffrey. Ije Jeffrey o ya wa.
With some other women, he have a deeper. Those some other women that like that woman or the first one can TNE. I mean, what other say that man will allow. Tamale can you genu pu we are the need to find and that is the way they can win now then winner. Tamale said the way. Those are the fabricated words no Mohammed Tamia. No Mohammed.
Awo mate Abije Jeffrey, he area to accord. Wa salwa bi baba Jeffrey. Wa salwa. I am coming up for EJ Jeffrey and the main issue. I have published EJ Jeffrey. EJ Jeffrey kumera wa BJ Jeffrey wa bere Jeffrey EJ Jeffrey be pitch ya kume wa bere Jeffrey wa BJ Jeffrey. O agbe o bi alaluwe. Jeffrey no laluwe. Wa laluwe la iri o wo control we u salwa. O mo fo ni na we no gume gan u gbe o. Jeffrey no laluwe. Wa salwa. Ya luwo ibi adibu be je lovely. Ya we agbelo oyu wa hun. Jeffrey ya we Jeffrey gbelo oyu hun. Wa gbe o. Ogbe. Ije my brother ya know that Ije Jeffrey gbo oyu Jeffrey. Okay, ti gwa Ije Jeffrey wa gbo oyu hun abi.
Ya, iwe ti gwa.
Ti gwa. O total. Ano be you ene no lalo abi you ene lalo.
Only me
o ya togu we bo wa we ma on you ene lalo abi you ene lalo.
Maybe lalo enia.
Olaluwe. Awa ya ba re to play ba ke we go lalo we. Jeffrey laluwe. Olaluwe. Delaluwe ti to wona na wa ya bare ba. Jeffrey laluwe. Ibi ani laluwe su aberio. Wa gbe o. Ugele o be no laluwe me ugbe o. In short, this program is adjourned. We are my brother, he that's a program now. In that soon. Wabuaya. Uwa gang up, why would one? Wamala no man, it is Wagwa Shawo.
No, they are. Those are the Zaza Association.
Zaza Association.
Yes. On those are fabricated lies.
Nonsense.
When the woman when not put me at
Hello? Hello? Yes, so this is the Sansa man. I wish you the same. What you go do? We want postpone. I know so you want to talk tomorrow. Maybe you talk. I beg, call I beg. Oh, now John Sage they talk so. Hey, John Sage, who in Italia? Hey, this is the Godsend Foundation leader. The founder of Godsend is here. Godsend Foundation is talking. This is John Sage speaking.
Yes, it's August 1st of August. You have been insulting for the past 30 minutes.
Hey, my brother John Sage, Ambassador John Sage. Ere Jeffrey Begume. Ori munere Jeffrey anatani egume kwa. Ere Jeffrey na fi Begume.
I'm on the highway from Firenze to Milano. I've been listening to you. You have insulted Mama Jeffrey for the past 20 minutes. Is it enough, bro?
Okay, John Sage, you know that. I will take it.
You're going to do that, man. You're going to do that, bro. We are bigger than that.
Okay.
You know? What's up, man?
Okay. You are welcome to Italy. Oh, well, you might welcome me well. You welcome me well, Elia. Well, okay, you're there. Okay. Welcome to Italy. Okay. Yeah, that is the ambassador, John Osage, the Godsend Foundation. Yeah, the founder of Godsend Foundation. A man that helped the less privileged. He helped the less privileged. So now the founder talk just now. So Ije Jeffrey, John Osage when he say we are here now. Unde John Osage, I forgive you now. Because John Osage now forgive you now. So as the ambassador of John Osage, because he helped the less privileged and he said forgive Ije Jeffrey and let it be okay. Because as he is doing helping the less privileged, providing for the needers, those who need help, he help them. So as he just talk now, I don't leave Ije Jeffrey, make it go. Make it go. Make it go. I don't forgive him for now. Make it go. I don't want to forgive him. But John Sage don't tell the ambassador. I don't leave him. So my brother, the my postpone program now till tomorrow, okay? I don't want to see, I don't want to say, I don't want to see. My brother, I will postpone the program. So let's cut it a day. Because me my temper cool. Okay?
Yes.
Okay now. Take care. Ciao. So today, I end the program for now. So Ambassador John Sage called that I should forgive Ije Jeffrey and let Ije Jeffrey to go. So now, Mama Jeffrey go. I don't hear Ambassador John Sage was say, let Ije Jeffrey should go. So let me take that advice and leave Ije Jeffrey. God bless everybody. To those I have offended by my annoyance, I said, I'm sorry to the good people of Uyedo. I apologize to you. Not those that provoke me, to those that are not happy because I was highly provoked. I apologize to you all because I don't want to be provoked, and those women, sons and women, try to provoke me. So please, I'm sorry to you people, the good people, and to everybody watching me. I'm sorry to you all. Please, I was provoked based on the sons and women who tried to provoke me. So I apologize to my fans and to good people that follow me, even to the bad one who are still following me. So if they don't see bad, they don't see good. They both work together. When you see advantage, you see disadvantage. When you see merit, you see demerit. So I apologize to you all. I said my advice as the word a present. I said my apology. God bless everybody. Happy New Month, as what God decided says today's a new month. That is why I was chopping chicken to wish myself happy new month. So happy new month to you all. God bless everybody. The program is being enjoyed. So take care. I love you all. Have a wonderful day. Bye.